This is a 2010 Ford Explorer. It has a 4.6-liter 8-cylinder engine, an automatic transmission, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include power-adjustable driver pedals, a seat with memory presets, cruise control, a CD player, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, a passenger side vanity mirror, roof rails, a low-tire pressure indicator, heated front seats, and this vehicle has fewer than 35,000 miles on the odometer. This Ford has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Stop by today and test drive this automobile for yourself.
Hatfield Kia is located at 1455 Auto Mall Drive in Columbus. Our main objective is to make your experience at our dealership a satisfying one, whether it's for sales, service, or parts.